Hey, what's going on guys? I'm Ajay from eeehub, and in this video tutorial you are going to learn why you should learn Python language. So let's start the session. So here I have mentioned 6 points that you have to keep in mind while going through this session. So first one is easy to learn. When you compare Python language with other programming languages like C++, Java, C#, and so on, you will find out that the syntax of Python will quite easy when you compare the syntax of Python with other programming language. You can search on the internet about the input syntax and output syntax of Python and other programming language. Second point was that Python language is an open source language. What it means that there are huge support of community. There are lots of developers around the world which support Python language. So also the Python language is free. You can go to the python.org website and you can download Python from there, and it's free of cost. When you're talking about AI and machine language, then you will find out that Python language is highly used by the scientists or engineers which are working in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Talking about web testing will help you to find bugs on your web application. So Python language will help you to make your testing automatic, okay, and it will help you to test a web application and website. When you talk about database, Python language supports SQL or NoSQL database, for example MongoDB, MySQL, MS SQL, MS Access, and so on. When you're talking about the web application and internet, Python will help you to create a website or a blog in a few hours, because Python supports lots of libraries, and also it has a web framework like Django and Flask that will help you to create a web application in few hours. So I hope you got answer why you should learn Python. If you have any question, then you can ask in comment section. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.